Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Eng Teach. Today I am going to write a story about baby camel and her mother. Now let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a baby camel with her mother. One day, they were lying on the ground. The baby camel was deep in her thoughts. She asked her mother that why the camels had humps. The mother replied that the humps helped them to store water for many days so that they could survive in the desert. The baby camel asked, "Why do camels have long legs and round feet?" Mother replied, "Because they are meant to help us walk comfortably in the desert." The curious baby camel again asked, "Mother, why do we have long eyelashes?" Mother camel with pride replied, "My dear child, these long thick eyelashes are your protective cover." They help us to protect our eyes from the desert, sand, and wind. The baby camel thought for a while and said, "So we have humps to store water for desert journey, rounded hoops to keep us comfortable when we walk in the desert sand." And long eyelashes to protect us from sand and dust during a desert storm. Then, what are we doing in a zoo? This time, Mother Camel went speechless. Moral: your strengths, abilities, experiences, skills, and knowledge are only useful if you are at the right place. That's all. If you like my video, please like and share. And if you want more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.